What's up, goodies? Welcome back to my channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. We're not cooking today though. We're not cook right now. We'll cook though. We're not cook right now. I want to show you guys a really quick shopping haul from no other but Aldi's. So please go ahead and hit that thumbs up when you first come in. That is how you show me that you appreciate these videos, my contents, and this is how you show YouTube so you like the video. Okay, so go ahead and give your love and support as always. And for all of returning good, I don't know, say what a girl loving up to the box. All right, so I went into all this today because my plan is to cook up some salmon today. Don't know how I'm going to cook it, but I know I'm going to cook some salmon. So stay tuned for the salmon there. I'm going to put it on film. There's somebody knocking on my front door also, and my dog is going crazy. So if I hear the dog bark, you don't know it already. Alright, so I did pick up the salmon. Let me show you guys this first. So the salmon, this was $19.99. I paid for it. $19.99? No, $19.49 actually. Now I did notice one thing though in all this, that the price did go down a little bit. Alright, the prices go down a little bit. The last time I bought salmon in there, Salmon, I'm gonna make sure I'm correct myself because y'all always telling me that I'm not saying the word properly. So salmon, the last time I bought my salmon in Aldi, this was more, okay, but this one was just a few dollars less, and it's good to save some money, right? So I'm going to cook this up later. That was a good price. And of course I did go into DD's, right? So I'm going to show you guys what I got there. Alright, so I did pick up a bag of these extra large potatoes. I'm going to be making some stuffed potatoes with I think I'm going to add some shrimp to this one. Alright, so these are pretty big in there. This was $3 and change for the big bag of potatoes, right? So that was good. Make a couple of them there today. Alright, so I also picked up this organic soy milk because what I don't know, so I have a lactose problem. So I did pick this one up. This one was $3.49, I believe it was, in Aldi. So yeah. And then I did pick up these shrimp. This is a Gulf shrimp, the medium size one. I believe these are cooked shrimp. Yeah, I think these are, no, don't, actually these are raw peeled and deveined tail off shrimp. So this already come perfect the way that I want it to. I'm not have to go through nothing with this, right? Already come clean, deveined, and all of that good stuff. And this is uncooked shrimp. So I'm going to be using some of this for the recipe, which is the stuffed potatoes. And I also picked up some cut green beans. I think these were $1.07. I believe it was. This is just going to be a side dish. So I picked that up. And I also picked up some onions. These onions was $2 and something. Like $3 for these onions. I bought these because these tend to be a little bit sweeter than the regular onion I'm not going to buy. You know, onion not onion, but yeah, color to make it look pretty on camera. So I bought that. And then I also picked up this pack of grilled chicken breasts. Right, so this I always have to buy because my dog, he has to have meat. I have to have meat with him dog food. So yeah, I'm very bougie. This was almost $8. Almost $10, I think. This, it keeps going up every time. It's good on a salad for sure, but I always add this into Future's food. All right, and then yeah, that's all in this bag. And then in this bag, I picked up some yellow mustard. This one was like 95 cents. I believe this was the cheapest thing that I found in Aldi today, okay? This was 95 cents. I'm going to use it. I'm going to fry some chicken soon. And I'm also going to do some barbecue. And I'm also going to put some on that salmon also. Alright, so I'm about to also make some rasta pasta. So I'm going to buy this to make my rasta pasta. Always buy their pasta. I don't know, I like their pasta. I'm always getting, they have different kind of shells, but this one is going to work perfect for what I want to do. I was thinking about kind of making some salmon rasta pasta. I don't know. We'll see. And I picked up some salt. This one is going to last me a very, very long time because I don't cook with a whole ton of salt. So this is going to last me a couple of months actually. Alright, let me put these over here. And I picked up a sweet corn, the cream style one, because I am going to make what do you call it, a cornbread casserole. So I need one of this for that. And I picked up one heavy whipping cream. All right, this is I'm going to need this when I make my rasta pasta recipe or whatever. The price did go up on that. Now this was, I think, $1.99. This was like 89 cents. This is 3 something, believe it or not. This went up. The price went up on this. And this was like 69 cents. So that was a good price. And then I did pick up some sugar. The sugar is almost $3 for the sugar. Right? This is going to last me a very long time also, because I don't use a lot of sugar in the house for certain things. I usually use canned sugar, organic cane sugar. I'm gonna receive them. And my total amount that I spent in Aldi's was $56.43 altogether. That's what I spent on them 2 little groceries, alright? Now, I had to get these in these. Love them. DD's discount store. I don't know if you guys have one close to where you live, but anytime I got DD's, well, crazy. Not only do they have dried food, but they also have clothing and shoes and household stuff, home decor, and all the other good stuff. Clothing for men, women, and children, babies, all of that. Check them out. I love me some DD's. Alright, so I picked up these tea bags. Had to pick up these tea bags. Now this one is the honey ginger tea and cinnamon flavor. I don't know if you guys ever tried their tea bags, but this one is so good. So good. And this is $3.99. Believe it or not, when I first saw them in DD's, they were only $2.99, but now it went up to $3.99. But it's not bad still. You get quite a bit of tea bags in here actually. Let me see how much tea bag you get. Quite a few. It doesn't really say. I think it says 20 sachets. So it gotta be about 20 tea bags in here. Okay? 20 tea bags, but they're pretty big. Alright, so this one is a honey ginger tea lemon flavor. So this one is a lemon flavored one. Alright, this one is also actually pretty good. Honey ginger tea lemon flavor. Yeah, this one is good too. And this one is a honey ginger tea. This is turmeric flavor. I absolutely love them. And they do have different flavors. And all of some will have pineapple in it. Now let me show you guys what the tea bag looks like on the inside. I was actually planning on making a cup of tea with each of them and tell you guys, what they taste like, but we can't do that right now because I have too much on my plate. I forgot to cook some food. I want to do a recipe for you guys, and if I don't get to it right now, I won't be able to put anything on camera. So I definitely have to clean up my kitchen because my kitchen is a mess, and you guys know that I don't cook in a kitchen that is dirty. I don't cook on dirty dishes, okay? So I have to make sure that I wash my plates before I start cooking this fish. All right, so this is what the box looks like. You take out the plastic. I think you open it from this side. Let's see. You open it from. Okay, so I guess you open it from here. Either way. All right, so you open it from here. So this is what the package looks like. Okay, that's what the package looks like. You have a lot in here. A whole lot in here. It has cane sugar in it, ginger extract, honey, turmeric extract is what it say, what it do. It was made in New Jersey. Alright, so again, that's what that looks like on the package. Alright, and it comes with 20 in the pack. Yeah, this looks like 20 for two. Alright, so that's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Yeah, definitely 20 that comes in the box. Absolutely love them. I've had them at the Steve many a times. All right, so go ahead and give it a try when you go to your Aldi discount store close to you. Check them out. Their tea bags are excellent. They do have other tea bags though, I have to say. Them almost done. Some of them never showed. I was going to show you the ones that I thought I had, but those are hasta la vista. So yeah, but these are my tea bags, and these are from Aldi's discount store, and this is my very small shopping haul that I wanted to show you guys today. So that is the end of this video. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, you guys, I'm gonna end this one, but I'm going to put the stuffed potatoes on camera. We're gonna put that on camera. I wanted to do the fish also, but I'm gonna do the fish another day. I'm gonna use some of this fish and leave some for another video. So yeah, but stay tuned for the potatoes. I'm gonna do that, okay? So you guys will see this video and then you'll see the potato after. Watch out, among other things. I know that I have been not consistent on my channel, but your girl need a break from the cooking business, okay? Like real talk. But anyway, I love you guys. Thank you for not unsubscribing from the channel. I love you guys to the moon and stars. Give the video a thumbs up once again before you leave, and I will see you guys in the next one. Walk, go take care of yourself. Bye guys. Later.